Welcome to the content library that was created for eye care practices by our social media experts. Using content from this library can make social media posting up to 10 times easier and 10 times faster. To maximize the value of your new social media library, you need to be added to our team in Canva. As soon as it's done, you will get an email with the invite. Follow the instructions and log in to your Canva account. Once you are logged in, you should see a screen like this. After logging into your account, go to Settings, Your Account, and make sure the name of your account being displayed is one you are comfortable showing to other clients who are part of the same team. We recommend refraining from using your business name or email address as an account name for privacy purposes. Get creative with it. Creative Ninja could be a great choice. Since you have now become a part of our team, learn how to switch between your team account and your personal account. It's very easy. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner, and you will see all the accounts you have access to, so you can switch between them. The checkmark will indicate which account you are currently using. To access your brand kit, remember to switch to your team account. To be able to match the social media assets to your branding easily, you need to have a brand kit set up. Great news! As part of this program, we will set up a brand kit for you. You will find it if you click Brand on the left on your homepage screen under Brand Kits. Open your brand kit to see what branding elements you have in there. At the top, you will see Logos, where you'll find one or more versions of your logo, depending on how many logo options you have on your website. Underneath, you will find your color palette. These are the colors that will be applied to the design templates. We pick them based on the color palette of your website in combination with your logo colors. Then you will see a few fonts for different types of copy. Usually, you will find one title font for larger text elements, one subtitle or heading font, and one body font. These fonts were picked for your brand kit to match the fonts on your website in the best way possible. And then under Photos, Graphics, and Icons, you will find design elements from your website that will allow you to add even more of your unique character to the design templates. Make sure you are happy with your brand kit. And if you have any requests on how we can improve it, please reach out to the Marketing4ECPs team. The brand kit is the foundation of your future designs, so we want to make sure we got it right for you. Begin by picking the post you want to customize from the hundreds of assets available in the OptiLite marketing portal. You can search for keywords using the search bar or pick one of the categories from the category dropdown. We have categories available for the main content themes and formats, as well as the months if a certain post is meant to be published during a specific month. After you select the post, click the big green button, and you will see a new tab that says Use Template for New Design. Go ahead and click that button, and it will open a copy of a template for you that you can start customizing. First, go to the Brand tab. Make sure your brand kit is open, and if it's not, click the drop-down menu to find your brand kit. To customize fonts, click on the preset font, go to Text Styles, and pick one of the fonts that matches your branding. If you want to add your logo, just drag and drop it into the design. And if you have uploaded a photo of your office that you want to include in the design, you can also find and add it the same way. Customizing videos is very easy too. You just need to use a template with the video you want to post. Go to the very end of the video and you'll see a placeholder logo that you can replace with a logo from your practice by dragging and dropping the logo from the brand kit. Done. Wondering where you can find the caption for each post? It's sitting under Notes, ready for you to use or edit as you see fit. After you've edited a template, you can download it and get ready to post your new social media content. For static graphic posts, we recommend downloading your content as a PNG file. And for videos, you should choose the MP4 file type. Now you can open Facebook, Instagram, or any posting software you use, upload the image or video, and add your caption by copying it from the notes in Canva. We also recommend adding a link to your website for Facebook posts. And don't forget to add some relevant hashtags to your Instagram post. Creating content for your social media pages can be very easy with the use of our library. If you have any questions, please let us know. We would love to hear your ideas for the content you want to see in the library in the coming months.